So you're looking for a good breakfast that you can make in advance and sometimes swap out for dessert? And I've got the recipe for you. We're going to make a chocolatey, creamy overnight oats. It is my new favorite. I make a batch just about every week and I go through the entire thing. You can customize it, you can make it really quick before you go to bed, and it comes out perfect every time. I think you're going to like this one. These creamy oats are being sweetened using only bananas. So I've peeled, broken, and mashed 3 very ripe bananas to get all the sweetness that I need. Once you're done with that, we can start adding other things. I'm going to add to that 2 tablespoons of pure cocoa powder. No sugar, just the cocoa, so you get the chocolatey without the sweet. I also put a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and a 1/2 cup of dairy-free, sugar-free, and unsweetened yogurt of your choice. Mix that up really nicely and you see how creamy and chocolatey it is already. We're adding 2 powerhouse seeds. We have chia seeds as well as flax seeds. So I have 2 tablespoons of each of those. That's not only going to boost the nutrition, but make it even creamier. And then you're going to top this off with 2 cups of your favorite plant-based milk. Mix it all together and you are on your way. It's going to look a little weird now, but look at that. It looks like a big milkshake once you're done, but it's going to thicken up nicely in the refrigerator. Now, let's add our oatmeal. You can use either whole oats or quick oats. It'll change the texture slightly, but it depends on what you like. So try them both. You're going to be making this often. So once you mix this all up, look at that. It gets thicker and thicker. I wanted mine a little thicker, so I went in with another 1/2 cup of oats. But once it got creamy, then I could really just make it how I wanted it. This was perfect. This turned out to be the perfect consistency. Just remember, it's going to thicken up in the refrigerator, so you don't have to worry too much about how thick it is right now. But you'll get the hang of it, and you'll be able to make it the way you'd like it. Once everything is well incorporated, you pop a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator till the next day. If you don't have a lot of time, you probably can do that in a couple hours too. But look how creamy this is. It is absolutely delicious. It's almost like a dessert. In fact, sometimes I eat it as a dessert. But the toppings are endless. You can top this with fruit. You can top it with chocolate chips. You can top it with a drizzle of peanut butter. Whatever you like. It is absolutely delicious. It's nice and quick, and I know you're going to love it.